Good morning, it's Yvonne. I am back at the New Horizons thrift store. This is my new go-to place. You guys saw the last video, and it's just an awesome place. They've been open for about an hour, and there's like 4 customers because not too many people know they're here yet. They haven't advertised too much, and there's no like balloons out front. Okay, so today this is up front. Sale tags switch over on Thursday, so today they're yellow. And I have my $5 off coupon, of course, from last visit. Every time you spend $25, you get a $5 off your next visit. Now, I always look at Afghans, yes, and I look at quilts, and I've never found any affordable. So they have 4 quilts. These are handmade. I mean, you know, they're not real fancy patterns or anything. They're $6.95 and $5.95, and they are, hang on, let me find the tag. Yeah, most of them are marked. You know, see this from a church or another organization. I thought about this one, and I just wasn't crazy about that mauvey pink. It's kind of Pepto-Bismol pink. I don't know if it's coming across, but let's walk around because I think I am going to try these 2 for my booth. So this will be a first for me. These are $5.95 a piece. I think I like the colors on this one. It's just plain off-white linen on the back. I did check it, no spots. These look like they haven't even been, I guess they were never sold to whoever made them, and it looks like they haven't been washed or anything. Sunrise Quilters, Pueblo West. This thrift store chain, it's a smaller chain. It has a store down in Pueblo about 35 minutes and then Canyon City about 40. So I like the colors on these 2. It's not my thing, but I'm okay with the colors. I think I could see other people liking them. So that seems like a good enough price for a little throw size. So I just got here. Let's go to hard goods first. Let's see what they've put out in the last 2 days. This little vintage rooster would be half price, 50 cents. But it's got a little chip. That says $19.99. Painted by Teresa Martinez. We should probably check that out. Let's see what Heather did in 1976. Aww. I'm gonna get that. Just because it's older, we'll just sell it real cheap. Hopefully somebody will love it. 99 cents. Okay. Okay, I found it. $7.99. That's a pretty big one. I've sold a couple of those at the booth. Oh, you know, these would make cute little signs. Just use chalk, right? I might get these. Oh, there's 3 of them too. Yeah, I think I'll get these for the booth. Cute little signs. Well, the more I think about it, I'm not sure. This is perfect for some of those primitive and farmhouse booths, but not quite sure if that's my style. I do like this though. 49 cents. I like all the bark covered stuff. Might keep that for myself. Maybe I should get these for a friend that has a farmhouse booth. Those would be so perfect, wouldn't they? Let me drop down before we move up past this area. I looked at this last time. Let me see what color tag it is now. $3.99. Yeah, it doesn't sit on its own. It's got to hang in something. It's quite heavy, but that's real rawhide, sinew wrapped. Maybe you could put it in another cool basket, maybe? I'm gonna put it in the cart for $3.99. I might get that for myself and figure out how to hang it. It's awfully heavy, but with a sturdy enough macrame, or maybe, like I said, inside something else, right? Cool. Okay. Having a good time. Not too many people here yet. Like I said, a lot of people don't know this is open yet. $5.99. That has hangers on it too. That aisle got a little busy. I just added a candle. Okay, so that big pot with the sinew around it, I tried to see if it would fit in this, but it doesn't. But I do love this. Hang on, you guys. But I happen to love this. This simple, not too ornate. $3.99. So I'm gonna get that. I'm getting ready to do all my planting. So that's for me. $24.99 for the whole set. Need to turn around so we can do mugs real quick. I don't see anything today, except for maybe this vintage sewing cup for 25 cents. $19.95. Oh, I've seen that store before. I'm gonna get that. You never know, there might be somebody local in the booth that's like, yeah, I shop there. Okay, I think I see a few things.
So I don't need one, but you know.
Yeah, it's just cute, isn't it?
Yep.
I was just talking to another customer. Hang on, we were talking about this thing here. Cookie jar. Anyways, $1.99. We will get that. That's a yes. That's fun. I don't feel anything. I don't see anything wrong. Got some, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a few different colors right there. Can you see the few different colors right there? Yeah, we'll get that. Let me put that cozy in one of those quilts, okay? And I'll be back. Okay, it's in there nice and safe. That's modern, but Boston warehouse. And it would only be $1.50. Remember, I'm shopping for the booth too. I have different MOs for the booth, for eBay, for random live sales that I will try every once in a while. Oh, I see something down here. What is that? $2.99 goes to a lamp. I'm not sure what else it needs. I imagine the hurricane lamp that it would go on would have what it needs to hold it. Let me think about that. It's nothing I would want to ship, but let me think about it. There's stuff way back there. This is the bottom shelf. $1.99. Dang, good price. It was $3.99 at the Goodwill. It does say something underneath it. It's got a maker's mark on it. I'll probably get that for the booth too. Just drop down one more time. That's all newer glass, you guys. Looks a little older too. Okay, we're gonna look at those two. Okay, we're gonna go down one more time. I saw something else. Okay, I guess I didn't. Oh. One more thing we're gonna pull out. Oh, there was a smiley. Okay. Let's look at these three. Let me grab that smiley real quick. That's very new, like at 49 cents, like at Walmart. It's not in good shape though. Flash is coming off. Where were we? That's pretty. For only 49 cents. We will get that. Handle looks okay. We'll put that in the booth. Now, one more thing. This little biscuit jar. Asian, made in Japan. Oh, okay, made in Japan. $1.99 for a made in Japan biscuit jar. One little dink, but the handle's still okay. I'll get it. Okay, now I'm not sure, but I think this has a little bit of value. I can't remember whose glass it is. I've dealt with it before, but it's been a while. All those bubbles. It's a good feeling piece. It's quite heavy. Just like 3 pounds for this little votive. So, let me set that there for now. Oh look, there's some Carnival glass. Sure has a new vibe to it. We'll check it out too. Here in just a minute. Alright, let's look down. Way in the back. And, oh, I wanted to look at these. They look kind of mid-century modern. Jackson, China, Pennsylvania, $1.99. We're going to get these. They have a mid-century modern vibe. Yes. All right, you guys. Let's turn around and do the art. Oh, that is hand-painted. I thought that was a print. That is actually hand-painted. Not signed, but there's some, that looks like Alaskan indigenous Indians type. I don't think I should say Alaskan. Up that way. Those are just happy. Those are just happy. $2.99. Someone had photography framed. I mean printed out. Spinning song. That looks pretty old, doesn't it? Not like antique old, but you know. Oh, look at that older mirror. It's got some fading on behind the mirror. That's a fun piece. That's a fun new piece. Painted on wood. That's the kind of Hobby Lobby stuff people like. $9.99, so it'd be half price. That would probably sell at the booth. I really think so. Might pick that up here in just a second. Oh, swans. Just a print. Cute oval frame. And another hand-painted piece. Okay, I think for me, I'm leaning toward that for the booth. But boy, that's going to take up a lot of space just to make maybe $15, because this kind of stuff is all over the place. This new stuff, this Hobby Lobby looking stuff, is all over the place at Willowstone. Yeah, it's going to take up too much space. I think I'll leave that for someone else to enjoy. Okay. Let me check out these two items and see if I'm right or wrong. And then we'll find another aisle. Okay, not bad. So this turns out to be Federal, worth about $20-25. I'm gonna get that. I might even keep it. The Art Deco edges. So I think if I put something else in the middle, I might just keep that for myself. And this is Orifers, and this is by the artist Ann Nielsen. Now this particular piece, I think it's called 1,000 Raspberries or something like that. I can't remember now, even though it was like literally 30 seconds ago. But some of her glass is really worth a lot. Ann Nielsen. So we will definitely get that. She did this for Orifers, Sweden. So, yay. All right, let me organize and we will move to the next aisle. So I kind of wanted this last time for my booth. Someone's covered this in thin platinum color. It's not gold, it's not silver, it's not brass, kind of a platinum color. Now it's only $7.50. So I think I will get that for my booth. I'm using a white wicker table, which I suspect will sell. And then I'll replace it with that, which will not be for sale. I think this will be attractive and go with the white quite nicely. So I'm gonna get that. Oh, I'll let you guys look at the rest of the furniture. Sorry. A few nice pieces. Wait a minute, let me turn back around for local friends. This is half price, so it'd be $20. Those of you that have booths as well, $20. That'd be a pretty good deal. Now that one's pretty too. It would be half price, $2.25. Okay. Pretty happy about that table. I knew it was funky enough that there was a chance it would make it to the sale rack. You know, some of us have taste that's a little bit more eclectic, so. Okay, keep moving. Checking out lamps. And shades. Shades are expensive to buy good shades. Oh, these would be great for vintage. Those are pretty. Hang on, I want to see how much they are. $3.99 a piece. Yeah, those are nice. I did see one new lamp. Oh, actually, this is new too. $3.99. That's probably got potential. If you had a bed and breakfast by the sea. Can't tell how much it is. Needs a cool lampshade. Okay, y'all. That's not too bad for about an hour. I had a good time. I did add this. It's still sealed. So, let me find a mirror. Okay, I hope you had a good time. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's Yvonne. I just restocked my booth. I'm at Willowstone. I had to share something exciting. Look what I just found. I know exactly what that is. And although they want $49, I'm gonna pay it. Can you see it? Fire and Light Splash Bowl. Hey you guys, here I am. Oh my gosh, look, it gets better. That sign says half price. What?